wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best windshield wipers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Trico Ice is designed to stop water from seeping into its joints and freezing, so it stays flexible and effective even in frigid temperatures. Its reinforced end caps keep it safe from damage while you're scraping off your windows in the morning. It's covered with a water-repellent layer and available in 12 sizes. However, it doesn't sit flush on some vehicles. At number 9, the Rain-X Weather Beater is made of an all-natural rubber squeegee with embedded friction reducers that resist cracking, splitting, and tearing caused by heat, cold, and road salt. Its pressure is distributed evenly throughout to give you a consistently clear swipe. It comes with a universal quick lock adapter and a galvanized steel frame, but it tends to squeak a lot. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Anko 31 series is constructed using a rubber compound that provides streak-free results with every pass in any environment. During the setup process, it produces an audible click to let you know you've installed it correctly. It's available in 10 to 28-inch lengths with a vented bridge to ensure a proper fit. However, it does incorporate some flimsy plastic parts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield wipers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Beam-style Trico Neo Form is protected by a Teflon coating that increases its effectiveness and prevents it from skipping and squealing. It applies constant, even pressure throughout its travel for consistently good results. It delivers great all-weather performance, and its dual-point coupler minimizes streaks, but it does have a shorter lifespan than many. Moving up our list to number 6. The hinge joints on the Michelin 8521 Stealth Ultra ensure a secure grip across the entire blade, and its patented cover keeps it from getting clogged with precipitation and debris. It's compatible with 98% of vehicles thanks to the included adapters. It's quick and easy to install and operates quietly. It provides a streak-free performance. Halfway off our list at number 5. The Aero Premium suffer from minimal drag and noise and are designed to stay firmly in place when you're traveling at high speeds. They're affordably priced, and unlike many others, they're conveniently sold in a 2-pack. These resist snow and ice buildup and come with 2 rubber refills, backed by a 6-month warranty. At number 4, the patented silicone construction of the PIAA 95055 gives it an impressive lifespan and also helps it resist wear and damage from exposure to sunlight. It applies a water-repellent barrier that'll keep the glass clear even after you've switched it off. It doesn't squeak or shudder, and the blade can be replaced. It comes with bonus cleaning cloths. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The highly affordable Trico Exact Fit costs about half as much as many of its competitors, yet it performs just as ably. Multiple contact points along its steel frame provide enough pressure to sweep away large swaths of water with each pass. It arrives fully assembled and includes adapters. This one's original factory quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield wipers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 spreads a thin layer of water-repelling treatment on your windshield as it operates to provide you with an even clearer view. Its aerodynamic spoiler helps to prevent wind lift and allows it to perform quietly. It's compatible with most vehicles and is both durable and long-lasting. The graphite coating minimizes friction. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Bosch Icon features an efficient beam-style design and comes from a company that's been making wipers since 1926. It lasts longer than much of the competition and is a reliable choice for year-round use in any climate. It boasts a low profile that keeps it out of the way, an oxidation-resistant squeegee, and arcing springs that provide even pressure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield wipers, or simply click beneath this video.